Hello everyone. So today I'll be repairing this mic and speaker set. So there is no problem with this speaker, but there is problem with this head. Okay, microphone jack. If you can see this, okay, there is problem with this one. I'll show you the problem. So I'll turn this mic on. Okay, this is turned on. You can see now when I plug this, it makes noise and like this noise. Okay, I'll lower the volume. So there is problem with this head, so I will cut it and join the another one which is here. So I'll join this one. This is from my headphone jack, so I'll be using this for this one to replace this one. Okay, so let's see. See these wires clearly. Okay, there are 3 wires. 1 2 3, you can see. So 3 wire for 3 terminals. I'll show you the diagram of these terminal. Means generally this one will be ground and this will be for mic. Okay, plus and minus. So let's first test this connection. Okay, for that we cannot connect these things directly to the multimeter. I have a multimeter, so we'll put this multimeter in testing mode, so which is this one. Okay, after putting in this one, we will test whether it is in continuity mode or not. Okay, so sound indicate that there is continuity. So if a wire is correct, means if the connection between these two terminal, this and this here, is correct, then it will beep. Okay, so first to prepare these connector, you will need soldering wire and soldering iron. Okay, I generally set the temperature to 400 degrees Celsius. Okay, and you can see to here 400 degrees Celsius. So how do you know that the iron is ready? So just I have used this metal coil for scrubbing this excess solder. So when you touch this, there will be solder burning. Okay, the solder will burn quickly. So if the heat is too much, then it will be also problematic. So to keep the temperature at proper range, now let's solder these. Now the tips are ready, so you can see there is solder wire on the tips. Now we can test these pins with multimeter. Okay, here is the multimeter in continuity mode, so keep it here and let's test which wire is which one. Okay, so the first one, connect any terminal, positive or negative, it does not matter, just we need to check continuity. Okay, so one I will connect to the brown wire here, and the other I will test which will it connect to. So it is showing beeping when I connect to this one. Okay, so first one, and the green one is the middle one, and the blue one is the, obviously it is the last one. So the wires are connected properly in this wire, so this is good to use. Okay, so I'll keep this aside and this also aside. Now I will cut this one. Okay, because it is defective, so I'll cut this one and test which one is which color wired. Okay, because we need to know that, so that we can connect this one properly to this wire. Okay, so let's do it. So there are only two wires. Hope you can see it is not focusing, but you can see there are two wires. Okay, so I would only need to connect two wires to this part. Okay, only two wires to this part. So let's find out that one. So I prepared these two wire too, so I'll test it with multimeter. I'll test the connection, okay, which wire I need to connect to which part, only for that one. So take the multimeter, put it here. So for first brown wire, the connection point is okay, there is no sign of any connection, so this wire might be defective. So I'll test this one. Okay, here is the tip for the green one. I have to connect to the tip. Okay, you can see. So this is probably for the ground. Okay, the ground wire is somewhere here broken, so it is not working properly. Okay, so I'll fix this with this connector. Okay, now I'll connect this and the green one to the connector, proper connector. So the green one to the blue one, and the brown one to the this red and brown combined. So I'll connect this. Okay, this is connected successfully, and now I'll test it whether it shows problem or will it work. Okay, let's see. Okay, here is the connection, and this is the connection. We will separate these two wires, and here's the mic. Okay, so I'll turn it on. Hello. Oh, so it is working. Yes, working. Okay, so this was the problem, and now it is fixed. Now I'll properly connect it, and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so this is the final connection. Okay, now it is working properly. So I can show you this. So here is the mic. I'll turn it on. Okay, it is on. You can see it light green. Okay. Now I'll plug this one, and here is the fan. So this is working properly. This is the final output. So it is working properly. Thank you.